Unit 2. What do you do? Page 9. Exercise 4. Conversation. I'm on my feet all day. Part A. Listen and practice.
What do you do, Derek?
I work part-time as a server.
Oh, really? What restaurant do you work at?
I work at Stella's Cafe downtown.
That's cool. How do you like it?
It's okay. I'm on my feet all day, so I'm always tired. What do you do?
I'm a dancer.
A dancer? How exciting!
Yeah, it's great. I work with incredible people.
That sounds really nice. But is it difficult?
A little. I'm on my feet all day, too, but I love it.
Page 9. Exercise 4. Part B. Listen to the rest of the conversation. Who does Amy travel with? Who does she meet in other cities?
So, where exactly do you work?
I work at a dance company, but I travel a lot, too.
Do you always dance with the same group of people?
Yes and no. I travel with a small group of people from New York, but I also meet new dancers and musicians in every city. Last month, I worked in Rome.
Page 10. Exercise 5. Grammar focus. Simple present WH questions and statements.
What do you do?
I'm a student. I have a part-time job, too.
Where do you work?
I work at a restaurant.
Where do you go to school?
I go to the University of Texas.
What does Amy do?
She's a dancer.
Where does she work?
She works at a dance company. She travels, too.
How does she like it?
She loves it.
You.
Work. Take. Study. Teach. Do. Go. Have.
He, she.
Works. Takes. Studies. Teaches. Does. Goes. Has.
Page 11. Exercise 7. Conversation. I work in the afternoon. Part A. Listen and practice.
I need to go to National Bank downtown, please. I'm late for a meeting.
No problem. What time is your meeting?
In 10 minutes. I don't usually work in the morning.
Really? What time do you usually go to work?
I work in the afternoon. I start at 1.
That's pretty late. Do you like to work in the afternoon?
Yes, I do. I work better in the afternoon. I finish at 7 or 8, then I go home and eat dinner at around 10:30.
Wow, you have dinner late. I go to bed every night at 8 o'clock.
Really? That seems so early.
Page 11. Exercise 7. Part B. Listen to the rest of the conversation. What time does the taxi driver start work? What time does he finish?
If you go to sleep at 8, what time do you wake up?
Pretty early. I start work at 4 in the morning.
4 in the morning? Wow. What's your typical day like?
Well, I get up at 3 a.m. Then I drive from 4 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon.
That's a long day.
Yes, but I like it. I talk to people from all over the world and see many beautiful parts of the city.
That's nice. I only see the National Bank.
Page 11. Exercise 8. Pronunciation. Syllable stress. Part A. Listen and practice. Notice which syllable has the main stress.
Dancer. Salesperson. Accountant.
Page 11. Exercise 8. Part B. Which stress pattern do these words have? Add them to the columns in Part A. Then listen and check.
Carpenter, musician, firefighter, reporter, server, tutor.
Page 12. Exercise 9. Grammar focus. Time expressions.
I get up at 7 o'clock in the morning on weekdays.
I leave work early in the afternoon on Thursdays. I go to bed around 11 in the evening on weeknights.
I get home late at night on weekends.
I stay up until midnight on Fridays.
I exercise before noon on Saturdays.
I wake up after noon on Sundays.
Expressing clock time.
7. 7. 7 o'clock. 7 a.m. equals 7 in the morning. 7 p.m. equals 7 in the evening.
Page 12. Exercise 10. Listening. What hours do you work? Part A. Listen to Aaron, Madison, and Kayla talk about their daily schedules. Complete the chart.
What do you do, Aaron?
I'm a carpenter.
Oh, yeah? So what hours do you work?
I work 8 hours a day from Monday to Friday. I get up around 6 a.m. and I work from 7 a.m. until 3 p.m. I get home pretty early, about 4 p.m. I go to bed at 10. And what do you do, Madison?
Well, I'm an accountant. It's a regular 9-to-5 office job, so I get up at 7 a.m. and get home around 6 p.m. That's okay, though, because I like to go out at night. I go to bed around midnight on weekdays.
What about you, Kayla?
Well, my hours are a bit different. I'm a nurse. I start work at 11 at night. I work until 7 a.m.
Wow, so what time do you get up?
I get home at 8 and go to bed at about 8:30, and I sleep until 4 p.m.
And what do you do in the evenings?
Oh, I have dinner, watch TV, see friends. It's a great schedule for me.
Units 1 to 2. Progress check. Page 15. Exercise 4. Listening. At Dylan's party. Part A. Listen to Austin and Haley talk about work and school. Complete the chart.
Hey, Dylan. How are you?
I'm great, Austin. Welcome to my house. Oh, Austin, this is my friend Haley.
Hi, Haley. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Austin.
Excuse me.
So, how do you know Dylan?
Oh, we work in the same office.
Really? What do you do?
I'm a web designer. I'm also in school.
That's exciting. What do you study?
I study art history.
Oh, cool. How do you like it?
It's okay. I'm very busy. I usually finish with work and school at 10:30 and get home at 11.
That's late.
Yeah. After work, I usually go to bed right away. What about you? What do you do?
Oh, I'm a student.
I study dance.
Wow, now that's exciting. Where do you study?
At New York Dance.
How do you like your classes?
They're great. I dance all day long. It's hard, but I love it.
What do you do after school?
I have a new part-time job. I work in an office.
Where is the office?
Actually, I work in your office.
You do? Well, stop by and say hello sometime.
Okay.